Hello everyone, this is me Debashmita Sharkar. Today we are going to talk about CBSE Class 8 English letter writing. So let's begin. First, let us know what is letter writing. Introduction to letter writing. A letter is a written form of communication that is addressed to a specific person or a specific organization. It is one of the easiest and non-expensive means of communication. The relationship between the writer and the receiver determines the way a letter is written. There are several ways of writing a letter, each having its own style. Letters are of two basic types. First is formal letters. These letters include applications, letters to editors, official letters, letters to and from organizations, government, department, etc. These letters have an objective or business-like style of writing. While writing formal letters, one should ensure that it is not too extensive. These letters are supposed to be short and to the point. And the second is informal letter. These letters include letters to parents, relatives, friends, etc. These letters have an easy and conversational language. How to write a letter. The most important element of writing a good letter is your ability to identify and write to your audience. If you are writing a letter to your friend, it will be crafted in an entirely different manner than if you are writing a formal letter. Learning to write a good letter also needs practice, knowledge about proper form, and the ability to put into words your feelings, thoughts and or ideas. If you learn the basic parts of a letter, it will help you to create letters of a variety of audiences and occasions. The presentation of the letter. The presentation of the letter can be handwritten for less formal letters and addressed to friends and family members, especially thank you letters. In the case that you have eligible handwriting, you may want to consider typing the letter. It is important to determine the tone which will be written in the letter, including a professional tone or a tone that will be taken with friends or family members in a more informal setting. Read through the letter once it has been completed to ensure that the tone remains the same. The tone can be adjusted based on the language which is used through the letter. Parts of the letter. Your address. At the top of your letter, you will put your address so the reader will know where to send their reply to. Date. Put the date on which the letter was written in the format month, day, year, that is 15th June 20XX. Inside the inside address is only required for business letter and will include the address of the person you are writing to along with the name of the recipient, their title and company name. Salutation. The salutation will address the individual that the letter is being sent to. This is usually completed in the form of dear sir or madam. The introductory paragraph. The first paragraph will generally outline the purpose of the letter and the reason that the letter is being sent. This can address any issues that are outstanding and is used to set the tone for the rest of the letter. In this first paragraph, the summary of the letter can be found and the intention which will be displayed through the rest of the letter should be outlined. From the first paragraph of the letter, the introductory paragraph, the individual should be able to note the tone of the letter. The body, the main part, the body of the letter will expand upon the introductory paragraph and the individual can extend their thoughts and feelings further when it comes to the letter. The body of the letter can be anywhere from multiple paragraphs for personal letters to one or two paragraphs for the most business letter and other types of proposals. Conclusion. The last paragraph should sum up the issue raised in the letter. It can include suggestion and methods of solving the issue. It should be concise and to the point. In the closing of the letter, the individual will close the letter. The closing of the letter comes in a various forms from yours truly for those individuals who are familiar with one another to a traditional sincerely, which is a versatile closing that can be used in a variety of formal letters. Now we'll talk about the format. First comes address. Here you all will write your address. Then date, as I have told, like a day, month, year. Then inside address is only for formal letters, not for informal letters. Dear sir and madam is necessary. Then is the introductory paragraph, body and the conclusion. And then yours sincerely for formal letters and yours faithfully for informal letters and your name. Formal letters writing topics for class 8. Formal letters demand a formal treatment. They are written in an impersonal style. The expression is formal and business oriented. The language used should be polite and firm. Formal letters may include letter to the editor, application to the principal, business letters, letter to the government official, complaint letters. Formal letter writing topics, solved questions. Letter to the editor. These are sample letter, formal letter. The question is, write a letter to the editor of the Times of India complaining about the nuisance created by the use of loudspeaker. You are Piyush Sharma, a resident of Sector 15, Vasundhara Enclave, New Delhi. So the answer is, first is your the address Sector 5, Vasundhara Enclave, New Delhi 10096. So wait, let me show you all. So from here to here is your address. Here is the date. Here is the inside address means the address of the one who you are giving, means the Times of India, the editor, Times of India, New Delhi. You don't know the name of the editor, it's not mentioned, so write only the editor. Then subject is necessary for informal letters. Subject is always short but to the point, which is regarding the indiscriminate use of loudspeaker. Then dear sir, and then you start with the body. This is the introductory paragraph. I would like to draw the kind of attention of the concerned authorities towards indiscriminate use of loudspeakers through the columns of your esteemed newspaper. Then is the body, which is from here to here. Nowadays, the use of loudspeakers at religious places, political gatherings, marriages, etc. has become a very common sight. The organizers of these events do not bother to turn off the loudspeaker after this stipulated time. In a lot of cases, the use of loudspeaker continues till late night. And this creates a lot of nuisance and disturbance for a lot of people, especially students and senior citizens. Then is the conclusion. I would want the authorities to look into this matter and put stricter rules in place. They must ensure that the use of loudspeaker does not continue after the stipulated time is over. Their efforts in this regard would be much appreciated by one and all. Then is yours truly. Then a sign is required. It's like optional. And then is Piyush Sharma, the one who is writing the letter. Okay. So let's continue. Now is the application to the principal. Question 3 means it's a question. You are Rohit Sharma, monitor of class 8 in SM Arya Public School, Faridabad. Write a letter to your principal asking him to arrange for special coaching in science. Give reasons why you need this. So the answer is again like that. So it's the writing of for informal letter to the principal, application to a principal is like a bit different. 5th January 2000, access the principal, SM Arya Public School, Faridabad, 347 690. Subject is regarding the arranging special coaching classes in science. Sir, sir, here do not write dear. It's only sir or madam. I am the monitor of class 8A. On behalf of my class, I have to make a request. Our science teacher was bedridden and was on leave for a month. Our half-yearly exams are approaching and our syllabus is not yet completed. Now, if he tries to finish the course in a hurry, we shall not understand the lessons fully. We shall be highly obliged and thankful to you if you arrange extra coaching classes in science so that we get enough time to practice and learn our lessons fully. So here, see, it is written in one para. So so application to principal is always in one para because the principal will not read the three paras. Okay, then thanking you, yours obediently, your sign, and Rohit Sharma. Okay, here is here do not write your address, do not write it. See, I have given a gap here. Only start with the date. Okay. Now we will yes. Okay, here is a request letter. Your the question is your Sudhanshu Aura. You have passed out of DAV public school, Rohtak. You write an application to your principal requesting him to issue you a character certificate as you need one for college admission. So it's a request to the principal. So you also don't write your address. Start with the date, then the address of the school. The subject is application for issuing of character certificate. Subject, just put this colon. Then sir, or if it's female, then write madam. Then write madam. Right. I passed out of your school in the previous academic year 2013 to 14. I am pleased to inform you that I have passed with flying colors. I have secured admission in the prestigious College of Medical Sciences, Pune. Please issue me my character certificate as I have to submit the same by 10th June 2000. Then the day, then the year. To complete the formalities of admission in the medical college. I shall be highly obliged if you can do so at the earliest. See, it's in one para. Actually, it's in two para here, and then there is a conclusion. Okay. Then thanking you, yours obediently. Then Sudhanshu Aura. Practice questions. Here are some practice questions. First is letter to the principal. Assume yourself to the student prefect of your school. Write a letter to the principal complaining him or her about the poor quality of food served in the school canteen. Number 2 is your Preeti Sinha. Your firm is experiencing a major financial crisis as your father has lost his job. Write an application to the principal requesting for redemption in fees. And in third, you are Sudha Verma, the vice president of the sports association of your school. Write an application to the principal requesting him or her to allow you to hold a self-defense camp for all the girl students, for which you might have to invite an instructor. Okay, now we will talk about the business letter writing topics for class 8. Now, the question is, you are the area manager of your company. Write a letter to the director of ICICI Bank, one of your valuable clients, for the payment of pending areas towards your company. So, Tata Consultancy PVT Ltd Private LC, Seawood Estate, Navi, Mumbai, 983-217. Then the date, then the one who you are writing means the director. Date, the inside address, the subject, the payment for pending areas, dear Mr. Khanna. Then the introductory paragraph. I have noticed that the bank, ICICI Bank, has areas in payments pending towards the company since the invoices that have not been paid for the past 90 days. In order to motivate your clients to set up the obligations before this due date, we have introduced a discount model where we will give you 2% waiver of the invoiced amount if you pay us within 7 days of receiving the invoice. This is the body and the conclusion. I hope that both you and your company are doing well. Since you are not, you are one of your most, since you are one of our most important clients, we appreciate your business. In case you have some questions, you can feel free to contact me at this number. So is the conclusion. Yours faithfully, then Deepak Malhotra, the area manager. Now there are some business letter practice questions. First, you own a sports shop in Preet Vihar, Delhi. Write a letter to a wholesale dealer of ordering cricket kits for your shop. Number two is you're planning to get your entire office renovated. Write a letter to XYZ company to send its design catalogs to your office along with the price quotes so that you may finalize a budget and a designer. Now we will talk about letter to the government official for class 8. This is the question. You are a resident of Nihal Vihar, Faridabad. There is too much traffic chaos in our locality. The school children are the most vulnerable group as their safety is at stake. Write a letter to the area MLA to solve the mentioned problem. Solve the above mentioned problem. So here it is. Your address, that is Nihal Vihar JP extension, Faridabad 137609. The date, then the area, then the address of the MLA, then the subject, the traffic chaos at the Pali Chowk, then dear Mr. Singh, then the introductory paragraph. I am pleased to see you are living up to your campaign promises on the issue of traffic movements improvements. Then the body, there are far too much individual traffic situation needing attention to enumerate them all, but I would like to draw your attention to a particular intersection. The corner of Main and Center streets in the Pali Chowk is full of danger for the dozen of school children who cross these streets every day. Without a traffic light and crosswalk, there is only a matter of time until tragedy strikes. Please pay special attention to this situation before the new school session starts. I will be highly obliged if you do so. This is the body, and from here it's the conclusion. Then yours faithfully and Sikha Menon, the name of the one who is writing it. Some practice questions. First is there are no proper street light in your locality. This is leading to an increase in right time theft as well as accident. Write a letter to the local district officer to look into the issue. As the president of the Residents Welfare Association, you have decided to celebrate the festival of Dashera with great pomp and show. However, for that you need to book the main playground as the venue. Write a letter to the concerned body if authority seeking permission. Assume yourself to be the president of Residents Welfare Association of your locality. Write a letter to the MCD complaining about the increase in number of street dogs in your locality and the problem faced by the resident because of this. Okay, now we will talk about informal letter writing topics for class 8. Question 1. You are meet write a letter to your friend asking him about his trip to Manali and also inviting him to your birthday party. Answer. See only one address. Only one address. That's the address of the one who is writing. Then the date, then dear Joy, how are you, my friend? How are you, my friend? It has been some time since we met. How was your trip to Manali? Hope you enjoyed in the mountains. I received all the postcard in which you had sent me from there. Thanks a bunch. I loved each of them. Hey, guess what? My aunt Meghna has organized an early birthday party for me and she has asked me to invite all my friends. You know very well that no party of mine is complete without you. So please be at my place this Sunday. The party doesn't start till 4, but do come early so that we can go cycling. Bring Arun along with you. Don't be late. Here's some mistake. Don't be late. And it's cycling. Then another mistake is there, I think so. Yeah, let's continue. Here it's postcard. Bring Arun. Hope your parents are all right. Give them my regards and wish you all the best for your cricket match today. See you this Sunday. So this is the introductory paragraph, this is the body, and this is the conclusion. So just see how informal it is. Like it is written in all, in how we all talk generally, not in a formal way. So your loving friend meet. Formal letter writing practice questions. First is write a letter to your younger brother advising him to grow the habit of newspaper reading. Write a letter to your friend giving suggestions about the importance of physical exercise. Write a letter to your friend telling how to use mobile phone for positive use. Write a letter to your younger sister telling her the benefits of time management. Write a letter to a junior friend explaining him how to avoid junk food. Use the following hint: leads obesity, increases risk of heart attack. Third, waste of money, and eat healthy food instead. So with this we came to the end. Thank you. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Bye bye. Stay home and stay safe.